Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how you can reuse an old airport device with a USB port because the Apple has discontinued it. I'm going to show you a use which your whole family could do something with. So first, the thing I'm going to be telling you is how to use USBs wirelessly over the network. I'm going to be showing you this on a Windows 10 PC. So what you need is an airport with a USB drive, a computer that supports the network. As in network, you could use Ethernet cables, but that's not the type of network I mean. You do need a Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet connection, but the network I mean is like file transfer networks and stuff like that. So first, flip around turn your airports. There's the front. Turn your airport to the back so you can see the back. So you've got power, USB, LAN, WAN, reset button, and a Kensington lock. So with your USB drive, see this USB port here? You have to connect your USB drive into there. Now, down at your laptops, your whole family can access this if you're on the same Wi-Fi network. So now, what you have to do is go into the network in File Explorer, and then click on the name of your thing. For me, it is something's AI, and data is usually the main hard drive inside, and so do not go to data, go to the other thing which is not data. It can be any name. And I've got my files here, all from that USB drive. And it is all wireless. And I'm going to prove that it's all wireless. I'm going to disconnect all the cables in my laptop, even the mouse. And I'm going to put it back when I get it out. Bring it to where it is. Should be. So, as you can see, there is no wires connected to this laptop. And it is also connected to Wi-Fi. Now what you need to do is go into the network and you'll see the airport network. No wires. It's all connected to the device, to the airport in there, across the board. So yeah, if you use Ethernet, it'll be a little bit faster. So yeah, let's close the laptop and let's go back. Just on your iOS devices, I'm going to do this iPod Touch 6th generation. If you go to the airport utility and click on your time capsule, this is so bright. That means if you go to, it's not hardware info, it is edit, and you have to go to advanced, file sharing and disks, and you'll see your drives. This is the main hard drive and this is the USB drive. So it comes in 2 terabyte or 3 terabytes. drive that's in there where you customize it. And your USB drive can be any size pretty much. There's no limits on file sizes. So yeah, the drive I have plugged in is called No Name, and that's the USB flash drive. But I just want to let you know something. I'm going to open up a Documents app on my iPad which supports network. I've only tested on Windows PCs, not the Mac yet. So if I go to the nearby section, I've found my airport. If it asks for username and password, I haven't got much success, but I'll try. And I'll type my password. Done. Okay, well now I know it's working. So now I have access through my iPad to the USB drive. That's one way to get USB on your iPad. And again, here, I've got file. Open up this. And yeah, I've got my files from the USB drive. And I can also access data from the main hard drive, if it ever loads. So yeah, that is how to use USBs wirelessly with an old airport time capsule or any airport devices. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye. By the way, before I end the video, yes, it does run on Macs. If I go to the network, click on the airport, and you get to see it there. I'll connect to the network. Connect. Password. And no name. Okay, so I've got the no names here from the no name drive and abc.txt. It's also working on this Mac. This is a mid-2011 MacBook Air, and it's actually one of the older Macs that is not going to be getting Mojave. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.